Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add links to your Instagram bio. If you're using Instagram and now you want to add links, let's see how can you do that. First of all, you just have to copy a link. As I'm going to copy my own Facebook profile link. Just tap into your Facebook profile and here just tap on three dots, then select copy link from here. So it will copy your link. After doing that, just open your Instagram. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap on add your bio, and here you'll get your bio section. Just tap on it, then paste the copy link, then tap on done. And this way you can easily add a link to your bio, or here you can just directly add link. Just tap on add link, then tap add external link, and here just enter URL or title if you want. I'm going to enter URL. Here paste the copied link which you have, and here just tap on done. So in this way you can easily add links to your Instagram bio. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.